please break down how Amazon PPC really works in a simple, beginner-friendly way. I just barely started out. It's super confusing. There's so many people to learn from what to prioritize. Perfect question. Couldn't have asked a better question. So let me break down what Amazon PPC is and which are the things that you should be prioritizing, especially if you're doing this on your own and learning by your own. Amazon PPC, basically, it is a platform that is going to allow you to bring the eyeballs that are already on Amazon directly to your product. Whenever someone is looking for the one specific product, let's say my product is a purified water bottle, water, the keyword. So for example, whenever I would look up purify water on Amazon, what you're going to do with Amazon PPC, Amazon pay-per-click advertising, is whoever is going to look up this product to find your product. So basically, that's the basic that you must know. When it comes to things to prioritize, if you're learning just now PPC, want to understand exactly how it works, first thing I would do is find someone that you like their way of explaining things that makes you quickly get whatever they're saying. So find that person while probably you're going to watch 10 videos, 15 videos on like learn Amazon PPC from beginner to start or something like that. And probably someone's content who was like good at SEO is going to come up and then you're going to watch their videos. So I'm just explaining to you how the process is going to go probably on YouTube. All right, the one that you found, at least from those 15 videos, the one person that you really enjoyed listening to, it's clear, it's concise, it's going to help you think rather than just follow 1, 2, 3 steps. That is the person that you should be following for the next 3 to 6 months and learn everything they have to offer when it comes down to Amazon PPC knowledge. Reason why I'm saying you this is because what I know that my mistakes on Amazon PPC was that while it was great that I was looking up so much content at the same time and I was trying to learn so many things, what happened is that I learned from here and there all the topics, but I did not learn basics. I did not learn the fundamentals. I did not understand why am I creating right now sponsored product ads. I was learning on these are the 10 ranking campaigns that are going to guarantee you sales, So, and then I was like, okay, I'm going to learn that and I'm going to replicate that and I'm replicating it successfully and I do have success with it, but things broke. I didn't know how to solve them and a huge panic because you're dealing with money, right? It's not only your emotions if you're running ads for your own product, but in my case, it was like, I am dealing with someone else's money. I have to be accountable and responsible, for whatever I'm doing to do it at my best knowledge. So I think that is the first thing. Find someone you really can learn from very easily. And then second, learn the fundamentals. If you have these two things set up, you are more teachable than 99% of people who are just like, quick, let's have the shortcut. I wish someone told me that. So I'm here to tell you.